Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we're going to be playing in my Festive Freebie Friday binder, saving for the upcoming holidays. So let's get into it. So today you might notice I don't have 6 challenges anymore. I only have 4 because we are going to be transitioning after we finish saving everything for Thanksgiving. We're going to be transitioning into full-fledged Christmas savings. I bought some stuff yesterday on Etsy. Well, hopefully it should be, I don't know if it'll be here soon enough, but I have some other things that I can do before then if it doesn't arrive before next Friday. But we're going to be doing just Christmas savings coming up here soon. I have $50 here today. I'm going to be cash stuffing $50 or more dollars as I can each week, just depending on what I can set, aside for savings. So today we're going to try to finish up these challenges. That's why I didn't add any new ones to the ones that were already finished from last week. So I'm going to roll a d6 and we're just going to go through the challenges one by one. Whatever I roll, that's the amount of ones that the challenge will get. I have 2 buyback 10s here, so let's get into it. So happy Friday, everyone. I hope that you guys are having a great week and that you are excited for the weekend coming up. 1, 2, I am so excited because it is fall break, so I'm off work this weekend. And so that means that I will have extra time to focus on my Etsy store. I have my boo boxes that I need to ship out to y'all this week. So I'm going to be working on that. Oh, hold on. 6. 1 here for 10. And then we owe this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope that makes sense. I don't know. So yes, getting the boo boxes all shipped out to y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And my Ko-fi membership mailings as well. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all of 1, 2, 3. Okay. Honestly, I should have kept putting stuff in here. We only need 2 for this. So let's just do this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, let's do 4 from here. I'll put this other 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and well, the last 2 will go there. All right, let's start with this one because I know that this one is one that we're going to finish. So yes, as I was saying, my Ko-fi membership mailings, my boo boxes are going out next week. I'm going to be working on a little bundle, a cutesy little bundle for my Etsy store. That is going to be exclusive on Etsy, and it's going to be like several different things that all match with like similar graphics. So I'm super excited about it and I hope you guys love it. I've been working really hard on it. So keep an eye out for that. I'm also going to be listing these little binders because all of my Doodlers butterfly boxes, I think I might have like 1 or 2 left, but I'm going to have extra binders. So I'm going to be listing these and for like a reasonable price in my Etsy store. So keep a lookout for that if you want to get this binder. This is the one that I use for my Mini Monday. I mean, it's pretty basic. The rings aren't like super big, but you can fit a decent amount, like maybe 12 envelopes in here comfortably. Some space for like cards and stuff and extra challenges and stuff here, and a pen loop. So just like a normal, oh, 2 pen loops actually. I don't ever use the pen loops, so I don't really notice them. So yeah, if you're looking for another binder, I'm gonna list it for a reasonable price, guys, like nothing crazy. So keep an eye out for that. In this challenge, then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And this is a challenge that's going towards Christmas savings. So we'll put this away at the end of the video. All right, let's see what we got for this challenge. This is my Let's Get Cozy Fall Savings. Now this is not a freebie, guys. As I was explaining last time, I got carried away and I forgot that I was supposed to just be showing freebies. So my bad, but it's so cute. And I do have lots of cute freebies on my Ko-fi page, so go check it out. I have, I try to post a freebie every week, but if it gets crazy, I don't post one for, I might miss a couple weeks, but I did post one for today and I posted one for last week. So there's a couple new things up there. Go check it out. So we have 10, 20, 1, 2, and 3 in this challenge today. 23. So let's see. Let me do 23 minus, what's the next biggest one? 8. Oops, why did I say plus? Hold on. 23 minus 8. Okay, so we'll do the boots. Minus 7, we'll do the sweater. What? I'm so confused. 23 minus 8 minus 7. Okay, that is right. I thought I was going crazy for a second. What's the next highest one? 5 minus 5. And then we'll do a 3. We'll do this pie. Do you guys like apple pie or do you prefer pumpkin pie? So this one saves 50 plus, 5, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. So yeah, 40. So next time we should be able to finish this unless we have extra money here. And then we'll do the roll and save. And if this doesn't go towards our Thanksgiving fund, which might be already funded, well, I don't know actually. Anyways, if this doesn't go towards Thanksgiving, it'll go towards Christmas. Okay, all ones for this one. So this one is going towards Christmas, obviously. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we can do 4, 8, 12, 15, 17. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 29 in here. So this will be great savings for Christmas when we get this challenge finished. So next week we'll still be working on these challenges, I guess. These ones, these 3. So that's okay. That's fine, because I'll be waiting for my Etsy stuff still probably to arrive. Man, I thought we'd finish more challenges today with our $50, but I guess not. And I guess it's also my fault because these ones are big ones. They save a lot. This one saves 60. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each one of these is just $1. But guys, we finished a whole row, so that's exciting. So we should have 16 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, we do. Okay. So we have these challenges to finish up next week still. So let's put our Christmas challenge away in our Christmas binder and see if we can fill out any other of our trackers. It always takes me a minute to calculate this because my brain is terrible with math, and each one of these is $25, and for some reason my brain just doesn't like doing that addition. I should have made it $20, but whatever. So we have 22. Technically here it says we should have 150. 150, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have because this is 125 plus another 25 is 150. So that's there. And then we have 10, 25, so we can add that in and color another one of these wreaths. I don't know where my red marker is, so I'm just going to use this green one. Okay, and then we have like rollover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So next time we can add more to this, hopefully. And nothing goes into Thanksgiving, but we are so close to finishing that. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We need $18 more to finish Thanksgiving. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. I do not have freebies for you today because, like I said, I'm going to be doing it every other week. But check my last Freebie Friday video for some freebies and some creators who are linked below who create a bunch of freebies for y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow for our Boss Challenge Box Babe, our Boss Babe Box Challenge Day. And until then, happy savings. Bye.